Today, we're going to make some bird feeders. We have some empty containers. We got some bird seeds. We're also going to mix in some dry cereal. We have some skewers. The birds can sit on them and eat. To cut the openings, we will need an adult or a bigger brother or sister. To put the skewers to the hard plastic, and that has a trick. There, the skewers through. Now we can put the skewer through the melted hole. Don't be too close, it will burn you. It's okay. Oh, steam. We'll get out to shorten the skewers. There, now they're perfect. We can use string or wire to hang on the tree. So we got wire. We're using wire so our squirrels cannot climb on our string. Because those streaky little squirrels like to eat our bird seed. We poke holes inside the peanut butter jar so the wire can go through. Now we have our wires all attached. Now to put inside some bird seed. We're going to break up the seal so it'll be smaller for the birds. Let's do melted peanut butter and honey. Mix very slowly. Mix it and mix it. Look, he smelled something. I'm mixing the bird seeds. Stop. Ooh. Ew, the birds are gonna love this. I'm gonna scoop the seeds in the bird feeder. I'm gonna put my lid on. Birds are gonna love this. Now we get to hang them up outside. Can you put that one right up there on that branch? And can you put that one on that branch?
Sure. This branch right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect.